हेलो, प्रणाम। मैं प्रोफेसर अश्विनी अग्रवाल 4D इन्फ्यूज़र इंस्टीट्यूट नेहरू प्लेस दिल्ली से बोल रहा हूँ। हम लोग निश्चलिज्म पर बात कर रहे हैं, निश्चलता का पसारा। तो मुझे लगा कि आज जो है एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट जो समझने की है उसके बारे में थोड़ी सी चर्चा करेंगे। तो वो है कन्वेंशनल लिविंग और मटेरियलिस्टिक लिविंग और लग्जूरियस लिविंग, निश्चल लिविंग। वी कॉल इट निश्चल लिविंग and one is conventional living. What is the difference between the two? On planet Earth, if I talk of today, both these systems are going on well. The conventional system is material based, so it is based on 5 elements. Conventional living is, now I can say technically that conventional living is limited to 5 elements. When we talk of nischal living, it is based on 24 molecules, not elements, molecules, 24 molecules. And conventional living is luxurious materialistically, which has lot of side effects, and of course benefits are there, that is why they are getting used, but it has lot of side effects. Luxurious living, it leads to diseases, it leads to so many things, you can say. And when we talk about nischal living, it is based on pharmacology. Conventional living, I don't know what name I can give, but say conventional living, you can understand that materialistic living is conventional living and nischal living is 24 molecule based. Conventional living is 5 element, 5 tattva based. It is called, everybody knows what 5 elements are, and 5 तत्वों के ऊपर आधारित कन्वेंशनल लिविंग चलती है, इसीलिए वो मटेरियलिस्टिक बेस्ड है, क्योंकि 5 तत्व जो है मटेरियलिस्टिक यानी शरीर को, भौतिक शरीर को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, जबकि फार्माकोलॉजी बेस्ड निश्चल लिविंग, उसके अंदर इम्पॉर्टेंस, जो कन्वेंशनल लिविंग में इम्पॉर्टेंस इज गिवन टू आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग. माइंड इट, इन द कन्वेंशनल लिविंग वी कॉल इट art, we have to learn art of living. But when we talk of pharmacology based nischal living, there we talk of art of living. Living. So there are two, both have same starting with L, but one is living, living, and one is leaving, leaving. So pharmacology teaches us how to live, and living what? First system is living diseases, then living the conceivement of the child, then living the delivery. So every time you are living only to begin with, to getting into a new area, you have to leave the previous one. So if you learn art of living well, then definitely the further you are going will have a solid foundation. If you live like you said, as it is known that in conventional living, since we are talking of living, so we have not understood anything about living, and that has caused lot of deformities in our living. So called side effects. Deformities are given by side effects. We call it exception. Exceptions are everywhere, and you have more exceptions than the real benefits. The marketing does not explain the drawbacks or the side effects, because no one is aware of side effects. What kind of side effects, what will give is not known. And if you learn to live, so definitely you are going to get rid of side effects, that is for sure. And obviously living teaches you how to live luxurious life, not materialistic life. Whereas conventional living, art of living, leads you to conventional living means materialistic world. So conventional living is 5 elements based, as I told you, and Faucology based Nischal living is 24 molecules based. And difference between tattva and molecule is known to almost everybody. I don't have to explain. Anu, that is molecule. So we are telling the people the difference between the two. That you want to continue living in conventional living, fine. I mean, we have no issues. It is you who has been given option of choosing between conventional living and art of living. That is Nischal living. Two livings, the conventional living and Nischal living. So you can say Earth has been divided into two planets. Earth has been divided into Earth planet has been divided into two areas, where one is Nischal living and other is conventional living. Now it is you to choose and migrate to whichever world you want to live in. It's purely your choice. Improve your eligibility level with Shwas Yoga so that you can pick up what is right for you and for your next future generation. Key is future generation has to be taken care of well. So art of living. These two statements, art of living and art of living, are self-explanatory to understand what we are trying to convey, the difference between conventional living, art of living, and Nischal living, art of living. These two things can be understood very well with these two words, art of living and art of living. So this was the main target of conveying the message, and this will be a very short video of about 8-10 minutes, and you can see these videos on Ashwini Kuchal at youtube.com channel, or 4D Infuser Institute is available, where you can visit and understand the difference between the two kind of lifestyles and adopt whichever you feel like. And how you adopt is you have to research on internet. On that we are not commenting on anything, because you have to pick your choice. So you have to do efforts to understand the difference between the two. That's it. 999-09-149 is the number where you can WhatsApp your inquiry, or you can call between 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. anytime. Shodash Panth is the Panth which is cultivated by Art of Living Society, that is Nischal living.